Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Chrome DevTools and navigating to the Performance tab, then immediately set your test conditions. Enable network and CPU throttling to simulate real devices. Make sure cache is disabled while DevTools is open so repeated runs are comparable. Once done, pick a clear user flow to record, load, scroll, or interaction, and keep it consistent. Explain why. Controlled conditions let you compare improvements. Record a short warm-up run to stabilize resources before your primary capture. Start recording and perform the exact user actions you want to measure, then stop the trace when finished. Once recorded, zoom into the timeline and inspect the main thread for long tasks, look at frames to find jank, and study the network waterfall to spot slow resources. Use the timings and built-in screenshots to connect expensive tasks to visible UI delays. As you dive into call stacks, prioritize tasks above 50 ms and identify scripting, rendering, or layout culprits that you can optimize. Apply focused fixes, defer or async scripts, minimize style recalculations, and compress or lazy load images. Then rerun the same recording to validate improvements. Compare key metrics such as FPS, scripting time, and total load time across runs to confirm gains. If traces are inconsistent, take one troubleshooting step at a time. Clear cache, disable extensions, or test in an incognito profile to eliminate noise. If issues persist, revert to a baseline capture and isolate which change altered the behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.